There are many instances when the gaps around the door frame are going to be uneven between one end and the other. Fortunately, our low modulus seals can be applied in a variety of thickness combinations to combat this. To ascertain which combination of LM seals are required, begin by taking gap measurements on the left, centre and right hand sides of the frame. Then calculate which combinations of LM seal are required to bring the gap down to between 2 and 4 mm. For example, one end might need a combination totaling 8 mm and the other end might require 3 mm. It is sometimes useful to draw a diagram to clearly picture this. We recommend combining the shorter LM seals across the total length of the frame section, starting with the thickest LM seal and getting progressively thinner. Then always finish with the final top layer that spans the entire length of either the 1.5 mm LM seal or the HE seal if a smoke seal is required. To minimise any steps within the gradient, it is advisable to build up layers of the thinner 3 mm and 1.5 mm LM seals as appropriate. It is useful to re-measure the points where the door gap gets progressively narrower and mark those points on the frame as a guide to the lengths you need to cut. Measure and cut the required lengths of FrameFit with a sharp blade or scissors. Peel off the adhesive backing and stick them onto the door frame and then onto each other, finishing with the final entire length of 1.5 mm seal. Close the door and check that the newly attached FrameFit seals have correctly brought the gap down to the required gap of 2 to 4 mm. When you're happy, use the included metal pins or a nail gun to fix through all layers at regular intervals. Our specially designed colour match finishing caulk can be applied to blend the joins in the seals. Apply the caulk and use either a palette knife or wipe down with a damp cloth to smooth the edges. The fire door is now ready and safely compliant.